Hey friends, it's Bridgie from Bougie Texas Barbecue. Easter is literally days away, so I'm going to show y'all a new twist on an Easter meal. Let's do it. Alright guys, so with everything going on in the world right now, I know not everyone can afford a prime rib for Easter Sunday or even a ham. These are not some fancy schmancy pork chops. These are literally the ones that you find on sale at your local grocery store. Which brings me to the next step. I'm using Lechoneras Mojo Marinade. It's going to enhance the flavor of the pork and it's going to tenderize it. Plus, this Mojo Marinade has a bunch of seasonings in it, so you won't need to add any other ingredients. I really recommend letting them sit in the marinade overnight. But if you're on a time crunch or if you just forgot, at least 3 hours. Also, make sure they are fully submerged before putting them in the fridge. With that being said, you will need the Mojo Marinade to really tenderize that pork. If you live in Texas, you can find them at your local grocery store or you can order them online. So make sure you stock up before Easter. I'll include the link down below in the description. This is going to be a quick cook once your pork is done marinating. You don't have to grill them. I'm choosing to grill them, but you can absolutely pan sear them. You can even throw it in an air fryer and they'll come out so crispy and so juicy. But I'm deciding to grill them because Easter Sunday, family, kids, everyone's outside. So having a smoke flavor in the air just it's just an enhancer to family time for me. So that's the only reason I'm grilling them, because we're going to be outside already. It's such a quick cook, so you can do this and still enjoy the festivities that are going on. And this is how your pork chops should look. If you have a couple pink spots, it's okay, but they should generally have a light gray, light beige color. This just means that Mojo Marinade has penetrated the entire pork chop and it is officially tenderized. Once you pull all of your pork chops out of the marinade, we're gonna pat dry them. Now you might go through a couple paper towels, but that's okay. We want the seasoning to stick, but be careful not to over season. Remember, the marinade itself also has seasonings and we don't want to over salt the pork. So we're just gonna do a light layer of Lechoneras Mojo dry rub. The dry rub is also going to complement the marinade and it will also enhance the pork flavor. Trust me guys, trust the process. By the time you're done seasoning, your grill and grill grates should be nice and hot. If you notice, I actually put the charcoal more towards the middle of the grill. This is so I have a direct heat source and an indirect heat source. So I want my pork chops to get nice, pretty grill marks. But once they get the grill marks, I need spots that are away from the heat so they can cook without over charring. The remainder cook time can range anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes or longer depending on your starting temperature. In the meantime, we can build our mango salsa. So you're going to start with 1 cup of chopped mango and 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, about a 1/3 cup of red onions, a 1/4 cup of jalapenos, and as much cilantro as you want. Now the next step is adding Lechoneras Limon Tropical. This is actually going to enhance your salsa flavor. Don't believe me? Give it a try. The link will be down below. And honestly, I always keep a bottle in the fridge because sometimes I forget to buy limes and lemons, and why stop at salsa? This is a good margarita mixer. I'm just saying. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Okay, back to the pork chops. I let them rest for at least 20 minutes before slicing. This just gives time for the pork chops to reabsorb any au jus that it lost. And these were my results, guys. It is so juicy and it is extremely tender. Results do not lie. Okay guys, so remember, original Mojo Marinade, Tropical Limon, and Mojo dry rubs is what you're going to need for this cook. Product links will be down below in the description, also along with the full recipe. Don't forget to save the recipe, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Till next time guys, enjoy. Bye.